So Amy's going to show us around this one. Here's Amy.
Yes, that's me. Hi.
Right, so yeah, Amy's going to show us around this one. So take it away. What do we have here?
So this is our Shackleton model. It's our entry level, so it's made out of a popular plywood.
Prices, where do they start on this one?
Start at about 43, so then you can go up from there for different engines and specs of the base vehicle, and then inside is pretty much what you get. Everything is customisable, colours, design changes. We make everything in-house, so anything you want to change we can do, as long as it's safe and legal.
Yeah.
Gives you lots of storage and stuff like this.
It's nice. So you've got...
Always use rib bed because we're type approved, and SCA roofs as well, just think the most comfortable.
Yeah. Actually, we were speaking to Hillside earlier, they use SCA as well and rib. I think you're looking at the two best components, aren't you?
Yeah. They're comfy. They're actually comfortable.
Oh, yeah. So yeah, no. So as you said, this is like the entry point, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then, so what is missing on this that might be? Does it have a diesel heater?
It doesn't have a diesel heater, so that could be an upgrade. Depends what type of camper you are. If you're always going to a campsite, there's no point having a diesel heater. If you're going to be out in the wild, turn that wherever you want to, it's a must. I'd say so, but generally you've got loads of storage. You've got your fridge, hob, sink, and all your general camping needs.
So if that's the entry,
Yeah.
this is.
It's a bit more of a luxury one.
Yes.
We are cabinet makers by trade originally, hence
really?
why everything is handmade, and this is all made out of real wood. So this one's oak, we do maple, which is quite a bit lighter, but this one's just a bit more plush.
Yeah, it looks nice. I haven't seen anything like this. So do you still use a CNC machine or?
No,
No, it's all done.
literally all done handmade. We're a family company. It started out with a friend saying to my dad, would you make me a camper? And he was like, I like the challenge, why not? And then here we are 11 years later.
There you go, yeah.
Stopped doing kitchens and furniture and now
Just
do
do this.
Yeah.
Quite a nice way to make a living.
Yeah, it is.
So obviously cabinets stand out straight away, and you've got the leather upholstery as well, which I have to say is really nice.
Yeah, so we designed this upholstery, design all over it. So it just makes it a bit more. We've just done a few more on the outside, like the sidebars, some nice alloys. There's just a few more design tweaks in itself to keep the storage useful, but still be quite practical and look smart, just a bit more homely, my personal opinion.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's like it doesn't surprise me that you guys used to make kitchens. It looks like it should be a kitchen. Fridge. I'm just going to start pulling drawers open. Is that alright with you, by the way?
Yeah, you've got an extra worktop on top of that. So pull your fridge out, pull your drawer out.
Yep.
There's actually a worktop side as well. So, because you've got limited worktop in here, it just gives you a little bit more space to actually do stuff.
It's really nice attention to detail. Put it back in? Or?
Just, oh, there you go. It just hooks up a little bit at the back. And soft bows on everything like this, so there's no slamming and stuff like this. It's all the stuff that we used to use in the kitchens.
Yeah, it feels very. The other stuff tends to feel a little bit more flimsy, but you can feel that is solid.
Everyone worries about weight with wood though, because obviously wood and the lightweight ply is quite a bit lighter. But because we use the strength where you need it in the frames and everything, and do lightweight in the middle, their weight for weight is almost identical. Yeah.
It's really nice. So how much is this one?
This one starts at 45 and goes up from there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice one. Any others you'd like to show us?
This one is not quite as popular but completely different.
Yeah.
So you've got,
Obviously the roof's coming from the back rather than the front.
So you've got all your kitchen at the back. You've got two single beds that can slide together to make a double, but the key bit with this is there's a fixed toilet.
Yeah.
Fixed loo at the back.
Oh, I see, yeah.
You've actually got a fixed loo here. And then awkward lane. So it actually gives you some privacy as well. As much privacy as you can actually get in.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, and people often have this one have an oven, and just because you've got the walkway, it's just a bit more flexible on what you can have in it.
Yes. It's still quite comfy on the single seats then,
Yeah,
when you're
yeah,
sleeping.
they're still they're rib beds, so they're the same ones except you just use the front, you just add a wedge. But most people sleep in the roof anyway because you've got the full width of the van, so actually comfortable from bed. Yeah, it's
And
not
it means
bad.
you don't have to move anything as well
Yeah,
to go to
that's
bed.
stuff where you've unwound,
Yeah.
had wine, do nothing.
Yeah.
So it just gives you a bit more flexibility.